Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify insurance costs with Policygenius. Quick tutorial step. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Policygenius. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to enter your insurance type. Click on the appropriate insurance category. You will be prompted to provide some basic information. Enter your personal details as required. This may include your age, location, and any relevant health information. After filling out the required fields, click on the Get Quotes button. Wait a moment as Policygenius compares different insurance options. Review the list of insurance providers and their quotes presented on the screen. Compare the coverage options and costs for each provider. Take note of any special features or discounts available. If you find a suitable option, click on it for more details. Read through the policy details carefully to ensure it meets your needs. If you want to proceed, follow the prompts to get started on purchasing. If you have questions, utilize the chat feature for assistance. Feel free to adjust your parameters and run the comparison again if needed. Once satisfied, you can finalize your choice and provide the necessary information to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.